Want to know how to convert the output into a report format in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. So since we are converting the output into a report format, we need a chat for this. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily open it up and just add a prompt and then just convert it into a report. So let's get straight to it. The first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application and open up any code. So I have this code with me right here. This is the C# code, so you can just simply select the entire code. And now once I select the entire code, right beside quick edit, you should be saying add to chat, just something like that. And now your entire file should be added to chat, as you can see right here, with your file name as well. So just simply type in this prompt after you have done that. Now just simply select enter, and once that is done, your chat should start working and it should execute your request, and after a while you should get your desired result. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.